off the juice.
Hey guys, so I was just up editing the video to upload for tomorrow and realized like I don't know what happened. My introduction, the whole intro to the video just like cut out or got deleted or something. Like I lost the footage somehow. So this is gonna be the intro to the video. We're just gonna go right into the video, no long talking, no nothing. Let's eat some food. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, judging you if you're not already subscribed, and if you want to get notifications of when I post my videos, just click that little bell right next to that notification sign. Give this video a thumbs up. There's more of my videos. That would be great. Thank you. Okay, no more talking. Bye.
Bushwick Taco Company. So we got something from Bushwick Taco Company. First of all, I paid an extra $1 for sour cream. Where is my sour cream, guys? And this is burnt. Okay? You know, it looks well done. Well done. Overdone. Well, I needed the sour cream to mask that. Okay. And where is it? It's probably in. Why are you gonna open it? Where? Well, it's not good, right? Is it not good? It's just missing. But can you eat it? Exact sour cream. Last week I spent $8 on it. So why you mad? Because I spent an extra $1. Like you can't charge an extra $1 for something and not give it to you. Like it would have been different if it was like, okay, the sour cream is included, but it just forgot it. Like, bruh, y'all literally had an extra charge. I think we're gonna give me my $1 back. No, run me my money back. $1 goes a long way. That's parking. That's an hour of parking on the street. That's an hour of parking. So what's up?
On the other hand, I got a fish taco and a steak taco. I had some of the fish taco. That was pretty bomb.
Well, I got the chorizo burrito, and as you can tell, I kind of already went in on it. It's pretty good so far. But I did get chips and salsa, and the salsa is pretty tasty, tomato tasty. I'm still eat it because I'm scared.
And
I'm hungry.
that's really why.
Who eats pineapples and tacos?
I've never heard that.
When I was ordering it, they were saying something totally different. So they acted brand new for the camera. Okay.
No,
They acted brand new because they definitely was like, oh my god, that sounds so good. First of all,
No, it did not happen. But you can eat your pineapple taco.
I will. But that's none of my business.
None of my business. That went. So Destiny here is from the South. She's from North Carolina, and so is Shayna actually.
I'm from Brooklyn, and I got kidnapped to South Carolina. Okay, not the same thing. Not from there. My birth certificate definitely says King County. Okay?
Well, I'm from neither, so you know we're gonna talk about dating a little bit. Just showing our experiences, how it's kind of different from our backgrounds, where we are now, and like why we all hate men. Oh yeah. I know. I haven't had any luck dating in New York, in the city. I don't like. Really? I mean, I've found guys that are like cool. We hang out a couple of times, and then it just goes to shit. Like he hit me up, and we had like good conversation. He looked really cute on his profile, obviously. I mean, why else would I be talking to him? But we went to a bar in the city, Chinatown, I think, and we just hung out. It was actually a really good conversation. We had the laughs and we were drinking. Nothing really bad happened so much, but it was just like we hung out after that, and it was like no.
Just like ass.
Just like live.
Yeah, I don't think so.
What's your story?
Oh yeah, I got some. I just
Are you single?
I am very single.
Okay. So there's another story somewhere. And none of these guys stuck around. You guys stuck around.
There is a bad story there. I did go on a date with a white guy, and it was right after my hair appointment, and I just got my hair fully pressed. And you guys know the smell that comes after the minute that getting your hair pressed, and it's like that. You can walk and you smell it coming. Now, keep in mind he's white, and he's probably not used to it. So we went to this really good burger joint. We were sitting right across from each other, like maybe a couple feet away. And I know he smelled my hair. I've talked to him since, so I'm sure it was the hair. That's another thing to keep in mind when dating like outside your race. Like, are they gonna be open to the things that have to do with you? You know, I wear a weave. You
I got
know,
mannequin heads with different weaves all around my room.
right? So, are they gonna be okay with that? You're gonna have to get used to it. I know I'm freaked out by it.
I went on one Tinder date, and the boy was just annoying. And I'm Virgo, so it takes me a while to like open up and like really like people. So if you just annoying from jump, I'm just like, yo, I'm ready to go. I met him. He was definitely shorter than he let on. We was looking each other eye to eye. I know. That's you. You see me like, oh no, I don't want to have to get close to you and like get cross-eyed, like getting closer. Like, I need to like look up to something, like at least, like even if it's like here, that's something. That's a little bit better. Yeah. We had no idea what personal space was. Literally, I think we went to the Brooklyn Bridge Park. The whole time he's just like bumping into me, like he don't know how to walk straight, and I'm just like, no. It wasn't flirting. It was I can assure you that it was not flirting. He just had no idea about personal space because it wasn't like he was saying anything flirtatious. It was just like he would just be walking like in a diagonal, and I'm just like, where are you going? And I was getting so frustrated because then I try to move. And they are moving. Like, no, if you don't back the fuck up, like, I don't got time for that. This is not the club. We're walking out the street.
Was it cold outside?
No, it was hot. This was during the summer. It was during the summer. No.
The funniest fucking thing happened. I realized that he actually lived like 10 minutes from here. Instead of from me. So we were like, oh shit, you're so close, like whatever. Okay, let's meet up, blah blah blah. He came over one day and I went downstairs to greet him and OG, like I literally walked up to the door and was like, oh fuck. Oh no.
Was he ugly?
Yeah. Oh no.
You should have pretended like it wasn't you.
I didn't even said that it was not
Girl,
me.
you got a doppelganger. You got a doppelganger in the house. You got a doppelganger in the house.
Wow.
So, hey, something came up. Like, I'm not feeling good. I'm still upstairs. But I just saw you. No. There's a girl that looks just like me in my building.
Right down. My whole heart just went open the door. It's like, hi.
It makes you not even want to spend the rest of the time with them.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what happened. He
If
brought
you're
up
ugly, you at least gotta do something.
Exactly. That's what I was saying.
What if he doesn't know he's ugly? What if he thinks he's fine?
You know.
You know you ugly.
Like, there's no way you do not know.
Was he sweet though?
He was like corny, and because he's like corny and not cute is annoying.
I don't know what they are doing.
Maybe it's just you.
I think it's just that it's not
I think it's
organic.
Shayna.
Because when I get taco shells from like Trader Joe's, we don't have this issue.
Miss Bougie over
Sorry.
here. Right. Miss Bougie.
Listen.
If it ain't organic, we
Right,
can't eat it.
right. Exactly. That's exactly what she's trying to say.
I'm gonna eat the pineapple though. Best believe that. These pineapples is
Gotta eat
juicy.
them. That's only because there's like no Taco Bells in the city. You know that.
Nah, but when I was down Taco, when right down the street, I never had it. That was
It's the
never
best
a
place
go-to.
to go to late night. They open at 2 a.m.
I mean, first of all, you wasn't even out at 2 a.m.
Okay. Sorry, I had a strict mother who didn't let me out. Now I be out picking back being boo.
Bitch, what? I'm confused.
You said I'm
or
They're shy. They're shy. I feel like here, a guy will come, like some of guys, yeah.
Yeah, and I wish you had that in the South because down South it's not. If you're not like big booty, big boobs, or like Kim Kardashian looking or Lauren London, it's like it's hard to get anyone's attention down South.
and I feel like down south has like the good-looking guys.
We do. What? I feel like we do anywhere find good-looking guys, but
But
But y'all have all the athletes.
yeah, I was gonna say we have athletes, and you know who those athletes go after?
The big booty.
Nope, the athletes go after all the white girls.
Actually, I feel like he just got signed to like a big company in the NFL, and that was like literally right after they like separated. And I was like, oh my god,
We not over yet. We not
Bring that boy.
I said I was over. No, I said I want you to come over. Thanks. No.
I can't. I wanted you to come here.
Right. Bring that ass here. Do you guys think those athletes that are like at these like Harvard and Yale, do you think they're like smart, or do you think they're like getting passed by just to be able to play the game?
I feel like Harvard is such a academically driven school that they wouldn't take students just because of their athletic ability. Like, and I think that would just be for Harvard.
But I feel like I never see anybody like athletic that
That
is
is like at Harvard.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, I feel like they wouldn't have time. Cause it's
They have sports at Harvard. I said
Harvard.
You know what? Okay, so what happened was my stomach was like torn the fuck up after that birthday mention. The next morning, I had to leave work.
Are you serious?
At work.
She did.
I was at work for kids not 2 hours. Mind you, I was late. And I was at work for 2 hours, and I was like, y'all, I gotta go. Oh, okay. My stomach was just doing back flips, front flips, all types of flips. And I was
First of all, they give you like this much.
that's what I'm saying. Like, it didn't make any sense. Everybody's like, are you hungover? I'm like, no, that's not it. Because we barely had anything to drink. I don't want to ever go through that again. I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy. When I tell y'all, this is really like TMI, but when I tell y'all I was on the elevator by myself,
Oh god.
bouncing, sweating,
Oh my
okay? I didn't even, girl, I didn't even make it to clock in. I beeline straight for the bathroom, threw my things on the floor. Mind you, I don't ever put nothing on the floor because it's a bathroom, it's gross. I told everybody at work I was like, this is my last time doing any kind of alcoholic event. You're still eating?
I can't.
Sometimes if I go out on a date with a guy or whatever, I try to not get some messy food or food that's gonna make me look bad.
Does everyone do that? You don't do that?
You just go out the way you
just
eat.
like eat?
I gotta be comfortable enough with you that I can tell you that we're not getting the same things. Okay?
That's
Because I need to eat off your plate, you need to eat off mine, we need
There's
to
no
figure
eating
out.
off of mine.
right.
Single. That's why you're alone, okay?
Shade.
I survived.
Shade.
Okay, go on.
I mean, like, there's always at least 2 things on the menu that you want to try. So
Chicken
those
tenders,
2
fries.
things-
Or a salad.
If
Chicken
y'all
Caesar
both get
salad.
chicken tenders and fries, that, y'all both need to jump off a bridge. First of all, you don't need to take you to nowhere. First of all.
Like, where we at? Where we going?
But chicken tender and fries are at every restaurant, no matter how fancy.
No. Not
The
where.
last-
If you gonna take me out,
You gotta come up with something creative. Especially we live in New York, there's so many restaurants. If you try to take the BBQs, it's a dub. It's a dub, okay? See, I'm not a food person. I'd rather go on like adventurous dates.
Not
I
for
mean,
the
if I
first
really
date,
like
though.
you, if I really
Yeah,
like
first
you, I
date.
wanna hang
First
out.
date, I gotta get to know you. Second, third date, maybe we can go like do something different. But I feel like eating is
Yeah.
always the perfect
The
first thing to do.
yeah.
Because you get to know them a little bit more, and then you'll see like he has potential, or no, definitely no potential. I'm not going back out with him.
I feel like everybody that I've gone on a date with though, like we've talked like a lot, so I felt like I already knew him, and like he already knew like what I like to do.
Good. I mean, you like rarely meet people like that, I feel.
I don't know. I feel like now that we're out of college, like it's like, where do you meet guys at that
That
the
is
same
also
level as
a
you?
good question.
Because
That is a very good
You know, like,
question.
you're walking around and you don't know who's doing what with your life. Or like, at least in college, you knew like, oh, we're all working towards the same goal. Like, you know, he has this thing like his goals aligned. But now it's like, well, I guess I better take a chance with this guy. Hopefully, hopefully he's not a drug dealer, or hopefully he's trying to become a millionaire or something like that. So it's tough to find someone outside of school. I
In
feel
real
like.
life, and then like in college, and you also know their friends, so you know who they hang out with. You kind of already have a feel of the kind of person they'll be like.
Right.
So you like, kind of already know. But outside of that, like in real life, I'm stumped.
How do you know to stop it? Like in a
So,
restaurant.
I feel like going to
I
FIT.
never.
I feel like FIT.
Girl.
I feel like it bred us to find people outside of, because there's
no one at
all the people are gay.
Oh.
They're all gay. So it's like there's nobody to talk to, and then if you want to talk to the 3 people that aren't gay, it's like they're messing with like the whole fucking campus.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So it's just like
Okay.
it defeats the purpose. So it like literally forces you to like you have like there's no way. there's no way.
You have to outside
to do it outside
of school.
Sorry, side note, and then we done. Side note. All I think of my job is not old, so like all I hear is like, I'm just like, yo. First of all, that traveled all the way to my cubicle, so I'm gonna need you to really not. Okay.
And you're sweet.
Shit, probably damn sure.
Like,
Some people aren't raised. Like, some people are. They'll just do it.
so over there. Like, let me look over there, not by me.
Okay. So you
They're
know,
about to head out, go out. It is also 60 degrees outside, so I don't know where they're going right now.
Someone
I'm
with
just trying to get my booty rubbed one at a time. My dress is really cute. I get pictures in it. You know, it's just gonna be a great night.
And maybe I'll get a drink or two from a guy.
I didn't even say that. You was gonna I was gonna say something, but I didn't say it. It crossed the credit.
She was thinking it. She was thinking it.
It's fine. I didn't say it. That's all that matters. Anyways.
We were trying to say bye for like
Fucking 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. Still trying to say bye.
But yeah, guys, we're about to sign off, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Shayna's channel. I'll leave all the details and stuff in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like to see more videos like this. And we out.
Bye. It's been real, y'all.
Bye.